Yeah, welcome back, guys. So in last video we were on the point 3 discussing on the topic how to create a file inside a different directory or a folder. So here just for a rough idea, here I would like to clear that the directory and the folder both are the same. In the Linux world, we will say the folder as a directory. Just this is the difference, but both working are the same. Okay, let's clear the screen. Control A, or you can just type a command clear to clear the screen. Okay, ls for listing. Yeah, now we have to type this command. We have to make a file, first file inside the demo and the second file inside the demo one. These both are the folder, and this white color it is a file. Okay, for deleting the file we have command rm file one. Yeah, yes. Okay, we will be looking on the separate topic how to there are so many, like somewhat 5 to 7 something commands for removing the file or a directory. We will be looking on it in our next video. Just till now, let's discuss on this. Okay, where were we? Yeah, for creating a file, here is the command. We have to type touch. We have to give the full pathway, just like here it is given from the root directory, root desktop and file one. This is the file which we have to create, and this is the second file, data.mp3. This is the second file we have to create in the folder etc. So here I would like to create in the demo and demo one. So just for knowing where we are, we will type the pwd for knowing our present working directory. Yeah, we are just in the home, so this is our path and these are the folders all visible on the screen. Okay, now the command goes like touch home home 9, and inside demo 1 we will like to create demo 1, and the file name should be something like demo 1 file. Okay, giving the spacebar. Now again we have to make a file inside the directory demo 2. So here also we will be giving the whole path, that is root directory home, in that go to main user, and that there demo 2 and the file txt. Okay, enter. Yeah, command run. For listing we have the command ls. So just here demo 1 is our first file and the text.txt is our second file. For looking in it, we have the command cd change the directory from 9 to, we have to go inside the demo 1. So this is the command change directory demo 1. Okay, we are just inside the demo 1. Here you can see 9 to demo 1. Now for listing using the command ls, yeah, there is a demo file 1 and file 2. Actually file 2 was created earlier, but this file 1, demo file 1, has been created in the folder demo 1. This is the basic principle. Moving back to our original directory, change cd change directory to stop. After here is the spacebar between them, enter. We are just back to our main directory 9 folder. Okay, then you know ls, and again we have created the second folder, second file inside the demo 2 folder. For looking that, we can again go that change directory demo 2, ls for listing. Yeah, here is the file created txt, the linux txt. Yeah, just by seeing using this simple command, we can make a different files in different directory. Yeah, here you can use many spacebar. Here you can use a spacebar to create many files in different directory. In future we will also looking about this command. It is something like this grep. This symbol, it is not as a grep. It is as like a separator between the two commands. We will look further in it. Now moving on, creating a multiple files at the same time, but we with different file names. Example, data, this. Yeah. Okay. For clearing the screen, we have the command clear ls, change the directory, cd, control L for clearing the screen. Yeah, ls. So, is there anything input demo? Ls. Yeah, file one. So just remove that file. Okay, removed. Ls. Back. Here we have to create a many files in the ls directory. The demo. In the demo directory, we have to create a many files. So the command is touch, giving the full pathway, just like home, then we go to 9, then demo, and here we have to create. So using this parenthesis, we can create file 1, file 2, file 3. Okay, all has been created. So for checking it, we can yeah, where it has been created, demo, not inside the demo, it has been created outside. So yeah, from this we can make the data clear where we had to make files, where we have to make a files. Okay, for removing all of this, rm hyphen, we have the command rm hyphen rvf file 1 2 3. Okay, ls demo file also rm hyphen rvf demo file 1 2 3. Okay, yeah, all of them removed. File 2, this also. We have to use this separator demo, then separator, changing the directory. This is this sign is used, slash forward slash is used to make a definite, used to make a definite pathway. So yeah, by creating this, we had made that, we had used the touch command to create a multiple files, which the file should be created in this pathway. First root directory, then inside root directory we had gone to the home, and then home we have the two users that were the Anmol and the name. Inside name we have the demo folder, and inside the demo folder this forward slash makes a command just like inside the demo folder we have to create this types of a file, three: file 1, file 2, and file 23. Okay, so looking in it, change directory, demo. Okay, ls for listing. Yeah, this has been created. File 1, file 2, file 3. To remove all them at a time, rm happen rvf file names 1 2 and 2 3. Yeah, message has been shown here. Remove file 1, file 2, and file 3. Okay, ls change the directory, going back to our main. Now looking on the fourth command, creating a multiple file at the same time, same location but with a different file names. Below are the examples to create a file. Okay, we have to create different files. Okay, change ls, sorry, controller to clear it, ls, controller and ls. Yeah, rm, happen earlier demo 2. Okay, we have removed the demo file. Yeah, we will create here a new folder, which the command is make directory demo ls. Yeah, okay, demo is here empty. Now we have to make many files inside a demo. Let me let I to show. Change the directory demo. We are in demo ls, it is empty. Going back, the command is just like touch, giving the full path, home 9 demo, and creating multiple files. File 1 to 5. Okay, this dot indicates we have to create a continuity. The dot denotes that the string is continue, that 1 2 3. If here it will be instead of 3, if it was 9, so the string will follows as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yeah, this indicates that. Enter. Okay, ls. For checking that if the command has been run or not, we will change the directory from 9 to demo. Yeah, ls for listing. Yeah, here all the file has been created. File 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This command is used for making multiple files in the string. For removing that, we have the command rm happen rvf. Here rm stand for remove, and v stand for here verbose, and f stands for forcefully. Verbose means if we remove all the file, the message will be shown here. Okay, yeah, let me demonstrate you. File oh shit, 1 to 89. Yeah, but all the files which were lying between file 1 to 89 all had been removed. Okay, ls no file is here, so this command has also been worked. Okay. Change the directory, going back, ls, creating a parent directory. Here we can also create a multiple directory inside of one parent directory. Just like in demo we can create many files, many folders or file. For making folders we had seen all the commands previously, and for making a directory we have this command -p for the parent directory, mkdir -p for the parent directory. Init, giving the path home 9 demo demo 1 and 1 home 1. So this command, will be just like we had made a first home directory. Inside home there will be the nan, and inside the nan there will be the demo 1. Okay, for listing this, here we can go, yeah, here home, yeah, changing directory to home 1, ls. Inside home we have nan, just like this. changing directory to 9.1 ls. Inside net, this is the demo one, so this is the demo one. Okay, changing demo 1 ls, it will be the empty. So this is the command which we had used. cd direct coming to the cd direct coming to the nan ls cd. Okay, ls. Now we will remove all that folder and then, okay, ls. That's for today. We will be taking a over. We will be looking a overview of file operators in the next video. Till now, thank you.